Good day, everybody. Kevin Baylor, CTO and Managing Partner of Alliance IT. I want to take a moment today and talk about SD-WAN. It's a topic that's come up more and more, and it's a technology that's more beneficial, more viable, and more cost-effective for a lot of small and mid-sized businesses over the last year and a half. And just want to get everyone educated on it. Maybe you can think about whether or not it's a right fit for your business. As you know, typically you've got your internet coming into your office, into your plant, your warehouse, wherever it may be. Maybe you have two internet providers potentially, one set up as a failover. And maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. Hopefully you don't have too many outages. But you've got your business here. And let's say we've got Comcast as your internet provider going out. That's your primary internet. Maybe you have a failover, maybe that's Frontier, or vice versa. So if something happens with Comcast, somehow, magically, somewhere along the way, internet switches over to Frontier. Maybe it's seamless, maybe it's not. Your in-house IT or your managed service provider or IT firm may be taking care of that for you. But anytime you have any traffic going out to, Office 365, or maybe down here to AWS, or over here to Salesforce, this internet traffic is going out here to 365. If it needs to go down to AWS, it's going down here. So if you have problems with that internet somewhere in between, you really don't know where to go. You don't know if it's a Comcast issue. IT is going to spend a lot of time trying to track down what's really going on. SD-WAN, software-defined WAN, helps eliminate a lot of that troubleshooting and increases your uptime and increases your stability of the internet. A lot of routers will have SD-WAN capability right here within your business. So this router can define whether or not it should send traffic out over internet provider A or internet provider B, depending on its monitoring and what it sees going on. But again, that is only watching what happens right here at your business. It's not watching what's going on out here. It doesn't know if things past Comcast are going slow and causing challenges of getting over to Office 365 or Microsoft Azure or any of the other cloud platforms. So in addition to what your router or firewall may have locally for SD-WAN capabilities, there's also SD-WAN cloud services that will eliminate a lot of the guesswork. So what happens with that is we minimize that traffic. We minimize those routes out of your business. We're going to keep the multiple internet providers. You're still going to have ISP A and ISP B. Those are still going to be here. Those are still here. But now we're going to put another little appliance right here. And it's going to go out and it's going to talk to the SD-WAN cloud. So all of your traffic, whether it goes out through Comcast or Frontier, doesn't matter as much because it's all going to go out through your SD-WAN provider. And then once that traffic goes out here, this provider has direct links into AWS. It has direct links into 365. It has direct links into Salesforce, SalesLogix, VoIP providers. So this SD-WAN cloud is monitoring and controlling that quality of service. It's monitoring and controlling that traffic. It's not necessarily providing any additional security. There's security in the cloud, but that's not what this is designed for. That security is still lying here within your organization at your firewall level, VPN traffic coming in, it's still going to be able to come in with no issues. But what this is doing is eliminating a lot of the guesswork for your in-house IT, for your IT providers, as far as where there may be issues. It's going to typically improve performance as well, because now you're not taking all these different hops to get over to a certain cloud, whether it's AWS or 365. You're letting this SD-WAN cloud provider do that for you. They're managing it. They have direct links in, faster speed, better performance, higher reliability. So, you know, when somebody says that, oh, my router does SD-WAN, well, yes, your router does here at this level. But all it's doing is just determining which is a better route to send this traffic out. Once it gets out there, it's still out in the wild. It's on its own. You have no control over it. So, again, SD-WAN, cloud providers, a lot of options out there. They're cost effective for businesses of all sizes. They can handle multiple locations, international locations, and help bring that disparate network together. Have a great day.